Keep traveling on and on and on and on and on. Keep traveling on and on and on and on and on.
One of the best kept secrets of southern Arizona is Mount Lemmon. Join us as we climb Hitchcock Pinnacle. As you can hear, it's windy, it's cold, and it's exposed. Who do you think is going to top out on this route? Other than Russ, obviously, because he's already there.
I'm going to do both.
Here he's just finishing setting up the anchor and maybe climbing up to see the view.
Are you there?
Yep, I'm all the way up.
Just so you can see how high it is and where it is, and tell me that's not cool. Here he's cleaning the roots so others can climb. What are you doing?
Taking off my socks.
Outside?
Yeah.
Why?
So I can put on new shoes.
Gold on this rock today.
Annabelle's reading. Look, he took a tumble. But he's okay.
He's done it more than once.
We've lost Benjamin. They're climbing this today.
I know who Ben is. I'll go get him.
I'm not. It's way too cold.
Neither am I.
Yeah, too cold today. But Daddy already got on top of it. And this kid's still putting on her shoes. And this one's reading, but I think she might be cold too.
Very cold.
It's a teeny bit cold up here today. Just little teeny bit cold. It's very cold. Benny, are you climbing next?
That's me.
Oh, Annabelle's climbing next.
I'm going after Annabelle.
Okay.
In the meantime, I'll just annoy everyone.
Annabelle's going to annoy everybody, she said. And Addie's getting ready. Over here.
We have not done this in a year.
She's getting harnessed in. What's that, bud?
We have not done this climb in a year.
Yeah, a year or two, right? It's been a little while.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little cold though.
Hi again. Yeah, that's the worst part. I didn't wear pants. So I wore shorts.
But we told you to wear pants.
Well, I don't care. I am a nation. Look at this view of the city.
Oh my gosh. Benny, you're not right.
Why?
Something's not right there.
Why?
Be famous.
Get ready, because you're gonna be famous. Look at me. I'm famous. Not yet.
Here goes Annabelle giving it a shot. That bottom part is the tricky part, getting from one side to the other.
Stemming up. Well, it doesn't take much stemming. We turn to the right. You can go that way. Go.
Lucy, it isn't really big enough.
Me and Addie. There you go.
I'm going to jump on this and spin around to the other side.
You can see what I mean. You have to get on top of this one to get to the next side. Eek.
Turn facing wall. That's okay. Keep your hands low. You don't have to have your hands higher to go higher. I got you.
Oh, that's all that problem.
All right, climb.
When you're not sure how to get to the other side, just go for a swing.
There you go. Feet are a little higher and you'll get a good foot placement. There's a little ledge in there. Oh, that works too. That's it. Yeah, feet just like that.
I cannot express how cold the rock was that day. Rock stars for even trying this.
His climbing is tight.
There you go.
They're supposed to be tight.
Okay, now you keep going until you can't get your hand in the crack anymore.
That I can that my heel needs to come out of the hair.
Straight up until you can't get your hand in the crack anymore. Just keep going up a little higher.
I literally can't pull it.
Keep suckling that foot in that crack.
Oh gosh.
There you go.
I've been trying to
Okay, now hand up higher because you can probably get it in the crack up higher.
She's got it.
That's it. Good. That's the right. I'm going to move the rope for you. I'm trying. Sorry. All right. Now you're good. I'm on the other side of you. Good. Yeah, you keep shuffling to the right as you go
Those
up.
things that Annabelle can do, I can do.
Heck yeah, Annabelle.
When you're rock climbing and you get advice from somebody, that's called beta information to help you
Looking a
climb.
little better. I got
Get it, girl. You got it. You got it.
Eddie, are you gonna go that me? I can't feel anything anymore.
I know. Your fingers feel like wood. They call that wooden fingers, and it is what they feel like.
How would you know, Dad? Your fingers were never made of wood.
Up to the right.
Dad,
up.
we have
You
someone to
go up
talk
the
to
left
about
too.
that.
That's it. That's it.
Usually there's a puppet. Eddie, are you gonna climb for me?
Now I think it's easier to top out by shuffling to the left of the rope right now.
I'm gonna need a shack.
But you can top out any way you want. Okay, I'm giving so you can top out.
Woo!
Got enough?
I'm up. She's on top. I've reached the top.
Harry, I've reached the top.
What? Me.
I hear you. I know you're coming down in the right place.
One successful top out down.
There you go. I know it feels uncomfortable.
So much easier from down there.
I know.
I crushed. Wait, it's okay.
This part is often so much more uncomfortable than climbing up.
Okay, what you need me to
Jared
give?
rock needs to be banged off. Look, you see your rocks? Hey, man, they died.
Luke, you be quiet. I can't hear Annabelle.
Yeah, give a little bit.
Give a little bit, all right?
Now you have to make the rock big.
And just try to work yourself over underneath the anchors. I'm just slowly taking so that you got less out.
The easiest business is watching eight take
Okay?
Just sit there. And I'm gonna start weaving the rope.
All right, I got you.
I'll get down right here so I don't fall down. And I'll try to be straight. You ready to go?
All right, you ready to lower?
Good job, Annabelle.
All right.
But if it was, you think
Remember, lean back. Yeah, there you go. Don't use your hands.
And she made it and is coming down. Good job, kiddo.
But my dad wants me to climb, so I'm not going to climb to the top. You see that little ledge right there? That's where I'm going to climb to. It's still going to be hard for me because I cannot do chimneys. So.
Well, you might be able to.
I know, but
They're challenging, huh?
Your age, actually 2 years younger than you, I would climb the walls in our old house. I would tell you, they would walk in the house and there would just be practically on the roof.
There's Ben. He's right there going up the shadow.
That's like the easiest part.
I would show you.
Do we have to do
I would right. Higher. Now, you should be able to get off the wall. You fall off like Annabelle did, it's fine. Do your best not to. You gotta go up. There you go. I got faith in you.
I did fall. I feel like I'm going to fall.
Try not to. Try to go up.
Well, he's got his hands in good cracks. He could just keep coming over, too.
Yeah, you can shuffle right onto the left if you want.
He's got a good crack right the whole way around.
Yeah, you'll wait the hardest. Try to get on your feet. There you go. There you go. Okay, look to your left for your feet. Up and to your left for your feet. See that crack? There you go. There you go. Fast, though. We're gonna get colder. There you go. Right up to that crack.
My fingers feel very weird to measure.
Yeah. They won't die. They're going to hurt.
If you can't hear, his fingers are hurting because it is really cold.
Going up exact way that you are. Keep shuffling your hand up that crack. You go up the crack just a little higher, and then you're going to be able to get your feet up to the right. There you go. Yep. Now you start going to the right. There you go.
Nope, come back.
You go up to go to the right.
Yeah. Benny, it's above your right hand. It's the white rock above your right hand.
Try to shuffle knuckle up that crack a little higher, Ben. Or if you see the way you want to go, that's fine too. Either way, don't bite the rope. Climb. There you go. Now get back on the wall because you're on the rope. There you go.
There?
Yeah. There you go. That's it. Now to the right. There you go. You're on the right spot.
And then those dumb motorcycles making all the noise. I like motorcycles, just not unnecessary noise.
I know. You can do it.
Ben just said his fingers hurt like heck. The reason the motorcycles are so loud is this is a very prominent lookout on Mount Lemmon. This climb or hoodoo is literally right next to the road, which makes it a nice place to go climb if you don't have all day.
I don't see any good placement.
There's tons of them. You got it. Just go. To the right.
You got this, the end. You got this.
That'll work. It'll stick.
I don't.
You got it,
Did
Ben.
I hang first up? My hands need to warm up.
Nope, go. It won't warm up. There's no sun there. That's why I'm saying you just gotta go for it. That'll stick. Go for it.
He's tough. His hands are miserable at this point.
There you go. A little bit further and you'll be topping out. There you go. There you go.
Good job. He's on top of the world. Yeah. 2 top outs down.
Feet here.
Wherever you want to, bud.
The top of the world. We're going back.
At the top, at the top, at the top of the world.
See, that wasn't so bad.
Yeah, I'm getting in place. I've been
All right. Ready? All right.
Good job, Benny. Y'all, it's still cold as can be out here.
Straddle that rope to give you a wedgie. Go to the other side. Yeah, there you go.
I am. Whoa. Good job, Ben. Woohoo!
And you're on the leg.
Luke most definitely has a fear of heights, so any climbing for him is challenging. We're still working on getting through it.
Make it a good one. All the way into the crack. It'll get easier. There you go. Get in there. There you go. Get in there. Yeah. See, now if you face the one side, you can keep going up like you are. That's straight stemming. That works.
Climb is.
I can't do it that way. My shoulders are too big. You good?
The climb itself is relatively easy.
That's perfect.
It all right. The climb itself is relatively easy. But your fingers right now hurt like heck.
Yay, Lukey!
All right.
Again, no looking at the view for this one. He's ready to come down. A little bit of encouragement from Dad. He went a little bit higher, and now he's being Superman. Not his favorite day today. He went halfway. Good job, Luke.
I
Okay.
don't want to do it.
I felt like a
That
nightmare.
hesitancy,
It felt
that
like a
feeling of,
nightmare
I don't really want to go
because it was
do
so
this.
cold and windy.
When you would get in the car
Yeah.
and you just
Will you do it again on a not windy day? You don't know. It's okay.
It's a scary walk.
I don't know if I want to.
Yeah. Yeah, climbing is absolutely not his thing. We still try though.
That reminds me of before a race. I don't know.
Well, you can do hard things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Even if they're not fun.
My hands are so numb.
Yeah. Really, really cold hands.
Mm-hmm.
We're always proud when we try, even if it's hard.
Let's go, Jay.
Now is our Addie's turn. She climbed the little part. Here we go.
That's because she didn't slow down this time. She's going to keep them fingers warm at all costs.
Excuse me, Dad.
Good girl.
Yes, Addie.
Possibly climb it one more time.
Yes, if you are harnessed up ready. Try climbing it up this way then? Try a different way? There you go, Addie.
I think I'm gonna do the same way. I just.
There you go, Addie.
I like the way I
There
did
you
it.
go.
Can I stay with you, Mom?
Look further to your left. There you go. Now look at determination. Move over, keep that rope from hitting you. Keep going.
Can you please make sure I'm tight?
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna let you loose. I never did. I'll keep you secure. You just keep climbing. There you go, right up into that crag.
Let's go, Jay.
There you go, big girl. That's it. That's it. Okay, now left hand goes into the crack. Body stays to the right. That's it. Keep going up.
You can hear the wind down low. Imagine how it feels up there and so exposed. Not yet. Go up the crack just a little more. Yep. That's the one you want, right up there. Just got to get your leg up a little higher.
You'll be surprised how high up you can get in that crack. Good. Now your feet need to go up on that next ledge. That's it. As soon as you're able to do that, that's how Annabelle got up. Baby.
That's it.
That's it. Good. Yeah, move back out of the way. Oh, I got you tight. I'm just moving the rope for you. To your right. Good. Good.
My hands are on grip. Exactly. Lily, when I was coming down, I couldn't even feel them. Lily, I couldn't even feel the rope's texture.
There you go, Addie. More to the right.
My
now.
hands
More
were
to the
numb.
right. There you go. First over there.
So close, kid.
That's it.
You got this, girl.
You're almost up. Don't lose that.
She was touching it. She was tapping out, tapping out.
I could never get that hand,
I'm not getting on top of this thing. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
But you did it.
Time.
She's on top of the world. Yeah, she's on top of the world.
Hey, you made a big jump past your middle block, didn't you?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Good job.
I just can't feel my fingers.
Not a bad day when 3 of the 4 kids made it up. I'm so proud of you, Addie.
Hey, good job, Addie.
I don't like being touched.
In a minute. So Benny decided he wanted to climb one more time. But not long.
45 minutes?
4 to 5.
4 to 5 minutes.
Like, I literally blinked as you were like harnessing up, and then you were already up there.
He scared me when he was lowering it because I couldn't hear him over the people on the road. And so all of a sudden I just started sinking.
Yeah. Didn't feel good.
I don't like heights. So
Neither do I.
Yeah, you've never been a fan of heights, have you? No.
It's gotten better. Like, I usually scared being on bleach shoes, but then that got better.
Yeah. So, overcoming some things.
I think
Yeah.
one of the problems with doing this specific climb is there's all those people over there, so you feel like the whole world is staring at
Yeah.
you. Here it's like you're the tourist attraction.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never enjoyed that at this one. Like I said, this is a major lookout area on Mount Lemmon. There's a bunch of cars parked right out there. People are watching, taking pictures. It does feel really weird. Again, though, it's a cool place to climb. Great views. Just a little exposed in more ways than one.
The Tucson line goes forever.
Well,
I
then
don't
an
care.
ice cream at the general store.
I don't care when you do it, but if you can get above that, sometime while I'm still living in the house, then I'll go take you up to the cookie cabin right after.
Are you moving out soon?
I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to be till we climb this place again. We did this like 4 years ago. I'd like to come back in the summer and maybe bring a friend just to show up.
Oh, probably in April. Whoa.
Holy crap.
That scared me.
Yeah, Benny.
You have people taking your picture over there by the bathrooms, Ben. Lady in the wheelchair.
Yeah! Here's how close it is to the road so you can understand. The weird part of climbing here is you're sort of on display because it's a touristy area, so people stare at you and wave and makes you feel a little uncomfortable because like you're on show.
that was my main problem with the first one. Is I turned my head and there's an entire crowd in line of people just looking.
Yeah, gave you a little extra stress, huh?
Okay, hold.
Okay, I got you. Alright, there you go. Lean back.
All in all, a successful day at the crag. Join us every other Tuesday for another adventure with the Adventuring Fetties.
Round the
Travel
bend, nothing like we've seen before. Let's get outside and go explore, 'cause home is here with you, my friend.